This video will guide you through configuring the retention feature for file and folder backups. Retention settings allow you to define the number of restore points to retain, enabling optimized storage management while ensuring access to critical restore points. Log in to the BDRSuite Backup Server by entering the username and password and clicking on Sign In. Navigate to the Backup tab and click on the Configure Backup. Now select Windows and then Files and Folders. Similarly, you can choose any of the file and folder level backup like Linux, Mac, or NAS file share, for which you want to configure file and folder retention. During the configuration process, you'll encounter the Settings step, where Retention Options is located. Retention is aimed at optimizing storage utilization while adhering to your organization's backup policy. File and folder retention can be configured for incremental backed up files as well as deleted files. The first type in retention for incremental backup is the version-based retention. This will retain multiple versions of your backup in the backup server based on the value you provide. For example, if you have selected to keep the last 5 versions of the backup data, then the latest 5 versions of the backup data will be maintained in the BDRSuite Backup Server. When the 6th version of the file is created, it will automatically delete the first version. The count 5 will be maintained at all times. This is the default retention type, and the default value is 5. Version count begins from 0 and runs up to 999. When you select time-based retention, the backup server retains versions of your backup files based on their age. The retention period can be configured by day, week, month, or year. If you choose this time-based retention, then the default number of years is 5, meaning that data older than 5 years will be removed automatically as new versions are created and the time progresses. The maximum retention period you can configure is 10 years. You can further customize your time-based retention depending on the 2 options provided. The first option is to keep all the versions within the selected time period, or the second option is to keep only a particular number of versions within the selected time period. Also, if the additional full backup is enabled in the scheduling section, then you will also be given the option to choose the number of full backups to retain. Only the configured number of latest full backups will be retained. The oldest full backup and its associated incremental backups will be deleted. The next is the deleted file retention. If the files that are configured for backup get deleted after a backup schedule, then the backed up data of those files will not be deleted in the BDRSuite Backup Server. It will be marked as deleted during the subsequent backup schedule. The following options can be selected as per requirement. First option allows you to select the number of versions to be retained for deleted files, and you can retain up to 99 versions of the deleted files. Second is to keep all the versions of deleted files up to the particular time period chosen, and then the third is to not retain the deleted files. This option is not recommended. That's it! Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your 30-day free trial. And if you need any assistance, contact BDRSuite support. Thanks for watching.